Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Every year, India exports meat worth over 30,000 crore. Yet, serious discussions about goat farming rarely take place throughout the year. It's only around Bakra Eid that goats become the subject of intense debate, sadly, not for their economic value but as a tool to provoke hate. Mainstream media stays silent about the financial potential of goat farming. Instead, they use Bakra Eid to target a particular community, not to inform people about rural employment or economic upliftment, but to stoke communal sentiments. Goat farming could be a strong weapon against poverty, especially for small and marginal farmers. But that opportunity is neglected. Despite being a successful business model for many, goat farming stories are almost invisible in big media. When cows are referred to as mother and buffalo meat powers an industry worth thousands of crores, goats are mocked or vilified. Every Bakra Eid, social media warriors and some TV channels turn this festival into a battleground of misinformation and hate.
और दर्शकों, जैसा मैंने कहा, कल ईद का त्योहार है लेकिन कल कुर्बानी नहीं होगी। बहुत बड़ी बात कह रहा हूं दर्शकों, लेकिन यह मैं क्यों कह रहा हूं, कहां पर कुर्बानी नहीं होगी, पूरी जानकारी आपको दूंगा। और कल कुर्बानी नहीं होने वाली है। जैसे ही यह खबर सामने आई, सब हैरान हो गए।
What they don't talk about is the real story of goats. There are 34 recognized breeds of goats in India. In 2022, a research paper was published by scientists from the Indian Council of Agricultural Research confirming that 75% of goat in India are reared for meat. Popular breeds include Jamunpari, Beetle, Barbari, Sirohi, Usmanabadi, and Malabari, among others. These native goats are capable of birthing 2 to 6 kids at once and reach market weight in less than a year. Some even grow to 20 kg or more. India is home to 148 million goats and sheep. Together, they make up nearly 28% of the country's total livestock. Rajasthan tops the list in goat population, followed by West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. Goat farming is especially common among small farmers. The government of India even offers subsidies up to 50 lakh for goat and sheep related businesses under various schemes including the National Livestock Mission and the Mudra Loan Program. Despite this, meat export data shows a clear preference for buffalo meat. In 2023 to 2024, India exported over 37,000 crore worth of meat. 31,000 crore of that came from buffalo meat alone. Goat meat exports stood at just 643 crore. This proves how little attention goat meat production receives, even though it could benefit millions of poor farmers, especially in states like Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, where the need for economic upliftment is urgent. Even Prime Minister Modi, in a 2024 episode of Mann Ki Baat, spoke about the transformative impact of goat farming on rural lives, citing Odisha's Kalahandi district as an example. But government records show very little consistent push for promoting goat farming across India. The real progress remains marginal. While economic policies continue to sideline the potential of goats, the media finds renewed interest only during Bakra Eid, twisting the narrative into one of religious identity and hate. This not only disrupts communal harmony but also distracts from a golden opportunity to support rural livelihoods. During Bakra Eid, goat prices naturally go up, boosting the income of thousands. In Tamil Nadu, prices have shot up so high that families are pooling money to purchase goats together. In such a scenario, it's hard to understand why only this festival is singled out for criticism when lakhs depend on this trade for survival. Worse, some political leaders now call for a ban on meat sales during Bakra Eid. They even promote cutting cakes shaped like goats, mocking both the festival and the people who observe it. These same voices dismiss cakes as Western influences at other times, yet now push it as an acceptable alternative. This isn't just about goats, it's about what kind of country we want to be. Goat farming can generate employment, boost incomes, and end poverty. But instead, goats are turned into a symbol of hate. This says more about us than the animal. A progressive society would harness the goat's potential to transform lives, not weaponize it to divide people. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.